guys, let's play this Italian brain rot quiz and Indonesian brain rot quiz. You have the guts to try this. I think you will not answer this correctly. Okay, first brain rot. Who's this? You have 10 seconds. Come on. Let's go. Okay, 3 seconds. 2, 1. Yo, it's Tung Tung Bahur. You know Tung Tung Bahur? Yeah, I bet you got that correct. Nice one. Next question is, say shark with the shoes and a wave. Who's this? This is the hard one. Do you have the answer? Okay, let's go. It's Tralalelo Bralala, guys. Tralalelo Bralala. Let's go. Tralalelo Bralala. Okay, hit that subscribe button or like and comment like Tung Tung Bahur or subscribe for Tralalelo Bralala. Okay, next question. Who's this brain rot? A frog plus a wheel and a foot? What? Who is that? Wow, it's Boneka Ambalabu. Boneka Ambalabu for the win. Okay, what's the guess? The next brain rot. It's a monkey and a banana. So what's the answer, guys? You got it? It's chimpanzee banana.
Bruh.
Wow, this is my favorite brain rot. Okay, what's the answer of this one? Elephant and cactus and sandal. Okay, it's literally Larila. Wow, you're great. Great job, guys. You got it right. Okay.
Oh my God!
Like for Lirili Larila and subscribe for Chimpanzini Banananazi. Okay. Okay, next brain rot. We got an alligator and a plane. Do you know what's the answer, guys? I bet you can. Oh, it's Bombardino Crocodile Alligatoro. It's Bombardino Crocodilio, guys. You got it right. And next and last question. It's a camel. Camel and a cheese box. Do you know who's this brain rot character, guys? It's Frigo Camelo. It's not a cheese box, it's a fridge. Okay. You got it right. How many got score? Click the subscribe button.